All right. So I'm going to plug a fan in here. We got quite a few people stopping here. I have a desk fan. I have a light, which I had on. I just cut off. We're going to put a light there. Now, I got to tell you, these are not powerful at all. Any unit will handle these little guys. But I'm going to cut it on. Cut it on. And then I'm going to plug these in. I got 4 spots here. I'm going to turn my AC section on just by pushing the button. You see that came on. I'm going to cut the light on. You see the light came on. And the fan was already on. There it is. It's running. You can see the fan is running. Look at there. And it's pulling 18 watts of power. Wow, I didn't know it was going to pull that much. But it's pulling 19 watts of power down there. Let me see. You can see it's pulling 19 watts of power. That's really nothing right there. And it came at 30% charge. That's mostly what they come at here. But you can see my fan is running and my light. But really nothing for this unit here. Like I say, it is 26 watts of power right there. Man, that is really nice. I wish I had some more stuff to throw at it, but that's all I got right now. But guys, that is the unboxing of our Elite 400.